Hello BCom first year students. So I am Gopi sir, dealing with the C and C plus programming for second semester. So far we have cleared, we have discussed two topics from online classes. Programming basics, types of programming languages, what is programming. Next, history of C and applications of C. If it is two topics. Today we are going to discuss basic structure of a C program, how to write the program. Okay, so you require more 3-4 classes to write the programs of yourself or by yourself, but we should know the program structure so that we could write the programs. Okay, today I will demonstrate the software, what you have to download and what you have to, or from where you have to download and how to run the program. That demonstration also I will be showing in this video. Okay, right, let us go. So this is our syllabus, programming with C and C++. So first topic is finished, types of languages, history of C already finished. So basic structure we are going to discuss. Third topic, yesterday this notes is given for you. Okay, structure of and one sample program. Okay, so generally the program will be like this fashion. It is a sample program, example program. Okay, so from it is going to start and it is going to end. Okay, so way to write or what to write in the first line, second line, third line. Okay, what it is called we'll discuss. Okay, so generally a program window will be given for you, right, like a blank window. Okay, when we open the software, okay, we'll write the program like this. Okay, so generally while writing the program we'll have the concept, we have to open the software compiler, so we'll get the blank page. There are no certain sections as there in the notes, but we should follow this structure like heading, subheading, okay, styles, left margin, like that. Okay, there are no separate sections with any name, but we should follow like this order. Okay, na? BSc first year, BCom first year, second year, third year. Next BSc first year, second, third, like that. Okay, how many sections will be there in a programming? There are 6 sections within a C plus programming or C program. Okay, same structure can be used in the C++ also, but according to C, document section, link section, definition section, and the global declaration section, main function, subprogram section. Okay, so each section is given with a description, what will be there in that section. If you are placing something, that will be comes under that section. For example, documentation, on every textbook, on every book, you will be writing your name. Okay, so that name, for example, title of the book, okay, author name, publisher name. So here also we could write description of the program in the documentation, why you are writing the program, who is writing the program, in the first section called documentation section. The documentation section is the part of the program where the programmer gives the details associated with the program. ఏముంటుంది ఇక్కడ, నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వేర్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్ ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైల్ నేమ్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్, హూ ఈస్ డిజైన్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్, author name means who is writing the program, date, time, what is the purpose of the program, like aim of the chemistry and physics project. We write the aim before doing any practical in the chemistry and physics. What is the aim to do the practical? So here also think of like that. Program description, for example, in our program, sample program, okay, what is there? For example, I am going to start from third line. Okay, these 2 lines are not there in the program. So to display hello message, so this program is going to write, is going to display a name. I am writing the program to display a hello message, hello world message. Okay, or you can write your name here, then you will get the name. Program display my name. Okay, so this section is called documentation. You need not write this one, but for your understanding I have given like what it is. these words are not there in the program. Only from here to here, this is a program. So first section, document section will consist of the program descriptions, like a program name, author, who is writing, date, time. Okay, next the second section will consist of library files linking. Okay, so for example, you want to add mathematical functions, you want to add input output functions, so we should write these statements. They are called pre-processor statements. Okay, and they are called header files. చూడండి లింక్ link section. This part of the code is used to declare all the header files that will be used in the program. This leads to the compiler being told to link the header file so that the system libraries. Okay, right, we'll have logarithm books, for example, we'll have table book, for example. Okay, from the table book, from the logarithm book, okay, you could get the value and you can write substitute value directly in the problem solving. Okay, so here also yesterday our standard input output file is consisting of input output operations, functions, mathematical, square root, power function, cos function, tan function is available in this header file. Okay, for example, see the program again. So I am writing a function called printf. Print function, printf means print function, but I am asking hello world. Hello world should be displayed on the screen so that it will be displayed. But how to display, how to execute printf will be given in the file called stdev.h. So this file is available with the software, not from the user. From the software, that file will be linked. Okay, when we are discussing regarding some person, the photograph is picked from the computer and we are adding some lines to the photograph. Okay, happy birthday, like video, there we are adding the data. So like that function, that file will be consisting of all IO, not only printf. All input output files are available, functions are available. How to execute printf will be there in the header file. Okay, standard input, mathematical function, power function, cos function, tan, square root. Okay, so like this it will be there in the link section. So link section is not compulsory among all the 6. Okay, only last blue is compulsory main function. Without main function we cannot write the program. But this is not mandatory, not compulsory, not compulsory, not compulsory, not compulsory, but it is required compulsory. 6th section is also, 6th one is also not compulsory. So link section will consist of library linking. When you want to use something in the program, okay, you should link compulsory. And constants will be declared in the definition section. Okay, one value will be fixed with the value. For example, this symbol represent this value, this symbol represent this value. Okay, ABC student is the school leader, college leader. So whenever college leader is announced, that student will write represent. So whenever pi, symbol pi is used there, 3.14 will be substituted. Max, wherever max is used in the program, that keyword, that symbol where 100 is going to substituted. So to define this kind of, these are constants, the value will be fixed right throughout the program, so that they will be defined in the definition section, third section. So first documentation, comments. Okay, and the comment should begin with 2 symbols. First section /* end of the comment. Okay, so second section hash include, third section definition. Okay, and in our program, how many sections are being used? For example, last sample program, okay, documentation is done, link section is here. No constants I'm going to use, so no definition section, directly main function is there. Okay, next global declaration section, global declaration, definition section is over, global declaration next. So global declaration, like global variables are declared and can be used by any, so it is like public property. Public library can be visited by everybody, public transport can be used by everybody. So More we'll discuss in functions topic. At present, you just understand global means public, anybody can use. Local means private. Public telephone, anybody can use. This A can be used by main and any other function called user function. Okay. But B is local. B cannot be used outside main. Mobile, for example, or your home phone. The phone at your home will be local. No other people or everybody cannot use your phone. But public telephone booth, everybody can use the telephone. So that you understand, public means global, private means local. Okay, more we'll discuss in functions topic. There you can understand more. Okay, but anybody can use global, local only within the right area. Next, main function. Every program should have a function called main. Like mathematics, a group of statements will be placed, will belong to the main. So from here it is going to start end. So this full section comes under the main function. Every program should have the description of a function called main. The name of the function is main. Okay, bracket void you can write or you can skip. Right, only bracket should be there. Before that it returns integer value. Okay, that function. So main is a keyword we should use. Before that int space main brackets, you can leave void. Something you should write, for example, a equal to 10, a variable declaration. I am going to print the value in this code, for example. Okay, just see. Later we will learn what is int, what is printf, what is scanf, everything we will be going to learn. ఇప్పుడే మీకు అర్థం కాదు program, just observe. Okay, so this section is called main. Main is compulsory for every program. Okay, let us go back to our program. What is there here in our program? What it is? See, I have a main with different block here. There a value, here printf hello world. One line is there, but here also int main. For developers, for software what we are using for our lab, we should write int main, int space main bracket. Bracket indicates function. Here also bracket open, bracket close, round brackets. Okay, return 0. So return 0 is the integer. So end of the function it means. Okay, every program should have a main method. Main method consists of two parts, declaration part and executive part. Declaration part and the executable part. Declaration, all the variables, input values will be declared here. If anything is there, then it will be skipped. Printf, a value is going to be, this is called execution part. So body of the program. So this main is compulsory for every program. So two parts are there. Every C program needs to have main function. Each main function consists of two parts. Declaration part will consist of all the variables, means input values used in the program. Execution part begins with the curly brackets and ends with the, not only execution part, full main will start with open and close. Okay, alright. So this is main. Main is a block, a group of statements. So this comes under this group. So like main, we could write subsections. Okay, main user, for example, like main open close and some name main, some return type. Int main, void main, both we could use. So I am using one more function add. So like main block, we could write other blocks. Okay, these are called user function. Okay, subprogram section will consist of user defined function, add, subtraction. Okay, so don't worry, we'll discuss functions topic separately, global variables and that one separately, but these are called. So among the 6 parts, okay, I recall with one line, there are 6 parts: documentation, program descriptions, header files, library linking, constant declaration, public variable declaration, main function, a block of statements, compulsory main like block. Similar to the main, we could write subprogram section, user functions and all. Main function, system function, mandatory is the user function. Okay, so documentation not compulsory, not compulsory, not compulsory, not compulsory. This last main blue is compulsory, subprogram is also not compulsory. Okay, so like this 6 section will be there. Maximum you can use 6 sections to one section. One is compulsory main. Okay, I have a sample code example program. So like this, from here we should type in the software. Okay, this program code antaridi. So for example, starting less than slash star and ends with star slug. This is called documentation. Okay, these words are not, you should not write these words in the program. Only from 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to here you should write in the program. So include, so documentation, link, main function, and so what is the output we are getting? For example, if you write the program and run the program, we'll get the output hello world. Ilanti window vastadi. This window will be getting when you run the program. Okay, this is the program. Okay, now we'll show how to write the program, where to write the program. Okay, so first you should download the software. Okay, if you have PC or okay laptop, so go internet undali diniki. So go to google.com and type developer dev c++. Okay, so you could see your syllabus once again. There at the down you may have write software to be used for your purpose. I'll show 1 minute. These are the textbooks for you. Okay, so here it is not there, software details. Okay, no problem. So we should use software called developer C++. So short form developer C++. 5.1 download. So type this one, this keyword, will get some options. So click on here, Google type cheyandi, will get this one, will be open to website. Click on download. Okay, your download start automatically. For example, okay, so here the file is going to be already I have downloaded. Okay, save, click on save. It will be downloaded in your browser like song you are downloading. Okay, setup developer C setup. Okay, at 100% you should open the file. Okay, so click on that file, double click. Okay, click on yes in your system. Okay, one window will come. Okay, so like this it will be extracting the file. Okay, so afterwards, after 5 minutes you will get something. Okay, so finally we get like this window. Okay, so this software Mickey I have already installed. So open the developer C++, go to all programs from your system, all programs, developer C. This is Windows 10 I'm using, developer C++. Okay, developer C++. Open, you'll be getting the software. Okay, so from here you take a file, new source file. What we are writing is called source. Okay, so write your program. Okay, for example, okay, same program you should write. Okay, for example, you type చేయండి, you type the program. Okay, ఏమరాయాలి, stdio.h. okay, just as you type it in the notes you have to printf bracket hello world. Okay, it has it. So this is a program. Okay, after writing the program, write same program like this, save. Okay, one window will come somewhere. You say, for example, BSc first year or BCom first year, will say choose some location. For example, BCom first year, I am saving, give a name. Okay, for example, I am giving my. Click here in the second line, C source file, give a name and choose C source file. So here we could write both C and C plus program. So now I'm ready C, so that was saved. Program is saved. Here we'll get the name. Before that, untitled, no, my.c. Observe this one, leave this one. Then you go to, so first step is finished writing the program. Second step, go for the menu called execute. Okay, or choose compile. Compile means check my program first where it is according to the rules and regulations. So we should get 0 errors and 0 warnings. Every time we should get 0 errors. So in the program there are no errors. Your code is 100% correct. So that step is called go for execute menu. First choose compile. Already compile is finished. Again I will compile for you for understanding. 0 error, 0 warning. Again go for execute menu, and this time you run the program. Run means producing the output. So we are getting one more window there, hello world. See, separate window it is. This is program, this is output. Okay, so when we are visiting ATM, when you insert the card, okay, first it will ask insert ATM. Next it will ask enter your PIN number. So like some message will be displayed for you. Okay, so like that. Then PIN will be verified. Then it will ask enter amount. Then money will be given for you. So like programs. Okay, ante ATM will make this kind of programs. Inside the ATM, this kind of program will be. Okay, so first there are 3 steps. Open the software, take file, new source file, write the program, then go with the save option, file save, add the name, choose C++, C, go for execute menu. Second step compile, third step run. Okay, I will get the output. Okay, so more samples I will show, 2 more programs I will show in the next video. Okay, just for your understanding, more 3 classes are required to run a program by yourself.